Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unsubscribe on all channels at once. For this, what we want to do is we need to go to our subscriptions, left here in the top. And then when this page is loading, we need to go to manage. And then right now, when we arrive here at manage, the only way how to unsubscribe everything on YouTube is by clicking here on the unsubscribe button, by clicking on subscribed and then do unsubscribed and then click on unsubscribe. This is the only way. Stop wasting your time with searching for tools or other stuff. YouTube don't want that people can unsubscribe that easy. So this is the only way how to do this. And please stop searching further because you will waste your time. I did my investigation in this. So for now, this is the only way how to do this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.